Hi guys, welcome to honest, straightforward reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. Hi guys, today I'm bringing you the AirPods second generation, normal charging one. If you want to look at the wireless one and my review, that's one of the first videos I've done. Let's get this started. I always like to peel around the sides. For some reason I don't like to ruin the plastic. So just peeling around the sides now. This is just a normal charging one. Since I don't use any wireless charging anything at home, I was thinking, look, this might be something different to try. Okay, straight off the boxes are a tiny bit smaller, but inside it's pretty much everything's the same. It's got the booklets. It's like an iPhone, any other Apple product. Even now the Beats are like this as well. It's got all the booklets, warranty stuff, and how to use them, how to activate them. Now, having a look at the AirPods itself, the case is exactly the same size. Underneath you get a cable, just a lightning cable, exactly same length and everything like that. You don't get a 2-meter one. Opening it up, it's exactly same packaging, nothing different between the wirelessly charging one and the wired charging ones. The only thing is I've noticed there's the LED light is missing outside. It's inside. These haven't been given a charge, so they're not good to go yet. So I gave them a full charge, and that's basically it. Nothing really different, nothing fancier about them. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.